Flower and like-minded women. Here is some time-saving hints and tips. Today's hint and tip is all about setting smart goals. Now, too often we are caught up or embroiled in saying what we don't want. Well, I don't want this, I don't want that, I don't want the other. Well, what do you want? Because as soon as you say what you want, then you can get from A to B very, very quickly rather than meandering all around the houses. And so you need to do that by being smart. Grab a pen, piece of paper, are you ready? Smart, specific, measurable, achievable, realistic, with timescales. Now, here's an example. Say I wanted to achieve £100 worth of sales this week. You know, that's a fair enough goal, isn't it? It's fine. Put in whatever figure you want for your business, 1,000, 1 million, whatever. And so £100 worth of sales this week. That's specific. That's great. Measurable. How will I know that I've achieved £100 worth of sales? Will I be invoicing it? Will it be in my account? Where is that going to be? I'm going to say in my account. Is it achievable? Yes, it is achievable because I've got a big campaign going out, or I'm actually going to see a client today who potentially will buy something from me with £100. So that's achievable. Is it realistic? Yeah, it's realistic. That's doable. Same as it is achievable. It's realistic. It's not unheard of for this client to spend £100 with me. And then finally, is there a time scale? Yes, there's a time scale because I said by the end of the week. So if you're smart with your objectives, what you'll do is you'll start to get things much quicker than you ever thought was possible. And it's a really, really simple technique for you to do. And the great thing about SMART goals is you can tick it off and achieve things, as I say, from here to here very quickly rather than meandering around the houses. So have a look at your goals, see if they're smart, and then start implementing straight away. I'll catch up with you tomorrow for some more time-saving hints and tips.